Hey guys, welcome back. I'm on my way back up to Gwithian beach, taking the mid-length again because I had a pretty fun surf yesterday on it, so I'm just going to try my luck again and see how it goes. I think it's predicted high end 7 feet, it's like 24 mile/hour offshore gusts, so it is going to be a dump fest. It is going to be dumpy. So I guess we'll see how it goes, and I shall see you guys in the water later.
Oh, that's it. No, I'm pissing. That's it. Oh, perfect pick I like that.
Guys, that was ridiculous. That was absolutely nuts. Like 24, 25 mile/hour offshore gusts, offshore. Very dumpy. I actually forgot to charge the GoPro batteries last night, so I didn't realise that until I got to Gwithian, which is brilliant because I ran out of batteries about halfway through the session. So I'm not really sure how much of it I got and how much of it I didn't get. So I guess you'll see in the edit. Like I have no idea. It might turn out alright. It might not. I mean, you've probably already seen it by now. So I think I spent most of the session underwater. So yeah, I spent a lot of time underwater. So a lot of water. Definitely can't wait for summer when it's a little bit more chilled out and a little bit warmer. I mean, mainly warmer. I think I got like 4 or 5 clean sections where I managed to actually, I got some clean sections, which was nice. But yeah, an amazing way to end the weekend. Probably going to be a little bit later with the vlogs because I'm trying to spread them out a little bit. So I'm not really sure when this one's going to come out. Probably I'll try and get this one out midweek. So this vlog is actually from the Sunday previous. What I might do in the future is try and do Saturdays and Sundays releases. I'm not sure yet. We'll see how it goes. Especially, considering I work as well, it's trying to dedicate enough time. I'm still trying to get better at editing, so hopefully obviously I managed to get to 1,000 subscribers, so thank you guys very much for all of your support. It's muchly appreciated. Please like, subscribe, keep watching, and I shall try my best to keep posting. I shall see you guys next weekend. Thank you very much. Woo!